Here's a look at the market from the eMiniDayTrader perspective for Monday, Feb 23rd, 2009. Here's our profiles. Here's the overnight session. And we were looking for, here's Friday's session right here, and of course here's today's lettered and market profile. We had an area of approximately 781 as resistance, and then also at 783.50 as resistance. And the market overnight did hit into that resistance. You can see it traded slightly above it, but the bulk of the trading was below that area. And of course this is where the market opened today and then had the sell-off. So the resistance did hold. The fact that it could not muster up another test upward during the regular trading hours was really the kickoff here, the confirmation, if you will, and of course where most of the value had developed overnight below our resistance areas that we could be in again for another down move today. Now, taking a look here at the actual individual profiles, you can, well, this is our overlays too, but you can see that the market here, we had an area of reference, yesterday's high here. We had good rejection off of the high yesterday, a known area of resistance as well. When the market rallied up overnight, it was really the first indication that it may not hold. But the fact that it did hold below 81, and then when it opened, it not only opened below 81, but also below yesterday's high. Then as soon as it sold off and then reestablished acceptance back inside the previous day's value area, it was a sure sign that once again the sellers were back on board. So we had several trades here today. Not a lot. We only had 4 trades today, 3 short, 1 long, and all of them hit our first and second objectives, and able to take additional profits on our final partial on 2 of them. So profitable day today of I think it was like 14 plus points. So when the market first sold off here, we had a couple of key potential support areas which we used to get short here, so we're able to participate in some down move there. When the market established this low and could not take it out, we then had a new trade here on the long side, so we're able to participate in some of this up movement. So able to get on board some down and then some up, and then later in the day we were also able to get on board when this balance area came in to get on short near its high to participate in some of the down move. And then we had another incidence we were able to do the same thing based on this next balance area to get short in here. So those were our short trades today. We had 2 late short trades, an early short trade or an earlier short trade, and then 1 long trade to capture some of that up movement. Now I've been speaking in regards to the 740 area for quite some time, and today we finally did dip down and actually took out the 740 price by 1 tick. So it would not be surprising if from here the market actually has a bit of a lift. And so we're looking at the lift, which would probably take us to the next support or resistance area around 750 and then around 757, and then probably around 760 would be the next one. So these are our resistance areas going into the trade overnight. But it certainly would not surprise us if the market has a bit of a bounce here. We had a little bit of lighter volume today, and the market also hit the known objective. So it's kind of due for a bit of a bounce. We certainly are not over with as far as our bearish outlook is concerned. Even in the day-to-day intraday auction that we're in right now, the swing auction we're in right now is to be on the short side, but we are expecting a little bit of a bounce, and those are the resistance areas that we're looking for, and we'll monitor overnight to look at see if we can get a setup to get us into the market short come tomorrow. So that's what we were doing today, and I hope that can help you. Any further questions or comments, please contact us at eMiniDayTrader.com or at info@eMiniDayTrader.com. We'd love to hear your comments or questions. So that'll be it for today, Monday, Feb 23rd, 2009.